In this brief demo, we'll see how VCollab makes analysts more productive and improves collaboration between analysts and engineers in ways that typical PowerPoint reports can't. In the first step, the analyst will review the CAE results and create actionable simulation insights. We'll be working with this assembly comprising multiple parts which have been analyzed for fatigue life. VCollab allows the analyst to probe results in specific areas. Labels are created automatically and can be moved anywhere in the view. To save time, VCollab can automatically find and display peak results, called Hotspots. You can't do that in PowerPoint. For a more detailed look, VCollab can find hotspots for every part in the assembly and display them in separate views, called Viewpoints. Viewpoints are 3D and interactive. Analysts can zoom and rotate to get the best understanding of CAE results. Finally, analysts can run automation scripts to find and display results outside of a predefined range, again using multiple viewpoints, and create a quick summary. In the next step, the analyst will share the actionable simulation insights with the engineers. The engineers will review the insights using the web browser interface and decide what actions to take. All the viewpoints created by the analyst are available to the engineers. As before, viewpoints are 3D and interactive. Having completed the review, a design change is created, and the updated CAD model is sent to the analyst. The analyst will rerun the simulation analysis and use VCollab to compare the geometry and the CAE results and update the actionable simulation insights. In the first step, the geometry of the two design versions is compared and the differences highlighted using color. Next, the CAE results from the two designs are compared and the differences shown for each part of the assembly. As before, VCollab helps the analyst find the hotspots for every part in the assembly and display them in viewpoints. The final step is for the analyst to share the updated insights with the engineers. Using the web browser interface, the engineers compare the differences in the geometry between the two designs and the fatigue results in each of the parts.